Shoulder extension is essential to good shoulder health. It enables you to rotate and move the joint in all of the directions it's supposed to be able to move in. Although it is something that I don't see many people ever training. Everyone is really obsessed with shoulder flexion. You see everyone doing front raises, lateral raises, rear raises. Nobody really trains extension of the shoulder. You'll see some people doing it through skin the cats on a bar, but I'm sure that's just a side product. The only people I really see training shoulder extension purposefully are the likes of gymnasts, circus performers, and a couple of movement practitioners. So in order to train for movement extension, the progress might be quite small to begin with, but don't be disheartened because you will get there. You can either do it overhand or underhand. It doesn't really matter on the bar. Ideally, you would like to have it shoulder width apart. You may need to go wider with the hands initially just to even get any kind of movement at all. Make sure the movement doesn't come from shrugging up. The idea is you want to be extending back, so you're using your scapula, your lats, your rear delts, all of that, but not shrugging up by your ears. You don't want to be trying to extend like this. The idea is nice and open. Give it a go anyway. Filter it into your shoulder routine. It takes 2 minutes to do, and it'll keep your shoulders a hell of a lot happier.